Prompt engineering is the skill of crafting effective inputs for ChatGPT to get optimal outputs. Clear, specific prompts yield better results than vague ones. Compare a vague prompt like, "Tell me about dogs," with a specific one that details exactly what you want to know about golden retrievers. An effective prompt has three key components: context, specific instructions, and desired output format. Let's see an example that incorporates all three elements to get the best results from ChatGPT. It's important to understand that ChatGPT has no access to the internet and works only with information it learned during training. This means you need to provide all necessary context in your prompt, especially for topics that might be recent or specialized. Complex questions can be difficult for ChatGPT to answer completely. Breaking them into smaller, more manageable prompts is more effective. By breaking this complex question into distinct parts, you can get more thorough and accurate responses. You can then build on previous answers by referencing them in your follow-up questions. By mastering these prompt engineering basics, you'll get much better results from ChatGPT. Advanced prompt techniques can significantly improve your AI interactions. Let's explore 8 powerful methods. Role prompting is when you assign a specific role to the AI. For example, asking it to act as an expert physicist will produce more authoritative and technically accurate responses. Chain of thought prompting asks the AI to work through a problem step by step. This technique produces more accurate results for complex problems by forcing a structured thinking process. Using delimiters helps you clearly separate instructions from content. This is especially useful when you want the AI to analyze or transform specific text. Response refinement involves asking the AI to improve its answers in specific ways. You can request elaboration, simplification, conciseness, examples, or adjustments for different audiences. You can request specific tones and formats in your prompts. Tones range from professional to casual, while formats can include bullet points, tables, code snippets, and more. System messages set persistent instructions that apply to the entire conversation. They're like giving the AI a persistent role or set of guidelines to follow in all its responses. Iterative prompting involves using AI responses as a foundation for follow-up prompts. This cycle of prompt, response, evaluation, and refinement continues until you get exactly what you need. To get the most out of these advanced prompting techniques, try combining them. Be specific about your expectations, use examples, start simple, and practice regularly.